These are what you should not eat. These are what you should not listen. These are what you should not eat. Look at the pork for all you pork bellies. Look at what you're consuming. Dirt, mud, nasty. Pork bellies, stop it.
Yes, so you don't know really so easy. You don't know. Big up Alicia Amor. Go over to our Viva channel, listen to our music, stream it up, the man. We golden. Bad artists. Cool it. Yeah. Oh, alright.
Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts. You don't know your girl Alicia Moore, and we are back with another video today. So you know, guys, my dear me, and I'm say I feel like I want to do something. So today we decided that we're gonna just go in at the zoo. Cause here we now. As big as me, you know, me never come at Hope Zoo before. I come to Hope Gardens, I do some partying and stuff, but I've never been to the zoo. So I decided that I'm gonna come out today and come to the zoo. If you know they are foreign and a long time in the Jamaica Hope Zoo, I'm going to take you guys with me today. And if you live in Jamaica and you never come to Hope Zoo before, I'm going to give you guys a reason to come. Today, I want to a reason for come. So I hope I enjoy today so that you guys can enjoy the day with me. If you don't know me, you don't know me, love nature. So we're out in the greenery, we're going to hang with the animals, and we're going to have a good time. So if you don't want to see what my day go like, make sure to subscribe and just keep on watching the video. Alright? You don't know your girl Alicia Moore, we say pretty badness outside. All right, guys. So we are. I don't know what for do. I got tell you the truth, but I don't know what for do. But we're going through. We're going through. I like that little cute setup here. First of all, I feel like I want to take a picture right here. Want to take a picture for me, guys? I don't know what have video man.
You know, come back.
When me I come back, don't left them there for now. All right. Yeah. Budgie feeding. All right, so right now, guys, I'm looking at some birds, and it says budgie feeding right here. So I don't really know if what I feel. So I can just So let's go. I don't know if y'all ever had this opportunity when you were kids, but I know for most primary schools and prep schools in Jamaica, they always have this time period where they do a school trip and they invite you guys to the zoo. I don't really have the experience of Hope Zoo. I know my school personally took me to Serenity Park, but it's my first experience at Hope Zoo. I know most of the schools they did Hope Zoo. I never got that opportunity. So right now I just feel like I'm what may I say? Like may I catch up I'm getting a taste of what I should have gotten when I was a kid. All right. So it feels like a kid moment for me. So right now we're looking at some birds. This is called the yellow naped Amazon parrot. In my house, guys, I just feel like I want one parrot. I don't know why, but I have to go there in the far part of the, in the house. You know, I'm not like the chatting, but I like the birds. Same damn thing, me I tell you. No? Same thing. I can't take this thing there, but I like him. I have to go there far. Far. Hi. Hi. I wonder how long him there for. How old are you? How old are you? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? He's talking. How old are you? You're not trying to answer me. Okay, that's fine. I think you're saying old. That's all right. He's saying something, but I don't know what he's saying. Let's go. All right, guys. So that's our little moment with the parrot. He was saying something on the ear, but no, on the ear, I said something. Yeah, but unfortunately, I don't understand him, I said. So let's keep going. Oh my God! Look at the flamingos. Like these are so cute. I need pictures. Can we go closer to them? Can we go closer to? I like seriously, we don't want to touch it. Hi. I think the person attacked me, you know. And the people that might say hello. Anyway, where's we going next? I love these. Hi. Hi. So cute. Look at me. So nice. Guys, must see some balloons set up down there. So I don't. Oh, I think they were having a Halloween party over here last night. So that's probably the setup for the Halloween party. These nice little doves. What am I name? Duck? Exit. So where are we going? Chicken them up over here, guys. So you know, say, what am the NR chicken? Guinea chick? Oh my God, looky! I know I'm probably I make nice on the ears, but like, looky! Look at that! Hi! I wish we could have touched them, but next thing I got too close, guys, and in room ram me. Is it true we can get a room ram? Me like the gateway there between us. He's nice though. He look like a sheep. What kind of goat that? Wow. Look at the cute little chicken in the coop. Hi. Hey. I'm gonna take a photo. So nice. That was a little surprise. That was a nice little surprise. See, him look like a llama. Oh, there's others. Oh, there's others. So why him look like him come towards me so? Is that safe? Oh, so him is the thing where you feed. What she said we can buy it in here. I don't want to feed him though. Him just look like him with both. I don't know. I'm not sure. Want to comment and make me know what is that bird. If you never come out up zoo before, I beg you to do. Tell me. What's that bird called? Right now, me and pass it. I don't know if more and pass it. But me and pass it in just name. Oh my God, it's a lot of them. It's a lot of them. You can see it better over here. Cool. I can see the pets better now. Here's a nice little one. I have nothing to feed you. Aww. And you're so cute. I don't even have nothing to feed you, baby. Aww. Can you take a picture with me here with him? Hold on. Ni ma look feet, you know. Ni ma look feet, G. You think you'll give me if I put my hands here? And then you eat me? Can okay. Can you catch him? I don't think I'm gonna catch it, but it's fine. Let's go. You kind of did. This is nice. So right now, guys, it says we are approaching the snakies. We're approaching the snakes now, guys. I'm excited for this one. Feed your fish. Oh no, let's look at the monkeys before we get to the snakes. This way to the monkeys. Guys, don't you remember being like a kid? I'm behaving like a kid today. Oh, look at these. What is this habitat? It's like somewhere for turtles. Yeah. It always had tortoise. Tortoise. This look like a mud house. I like the design though. See how that's cute? This is cute. Where is the monkey? Where? Where? Oh my god! 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 Let's make it. Well, how can I get closer to them? I want to see me and behave like some picnic. That's because I love animals and I love nature. Oh my god! Look at the monkeys. I guess they'll come if I have food. Monkeys. Hey, monkey, 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 monkey. Come here, monkey, monkey, monkey. Hey, guys, can you see them? Look. See if I can show now. I'll get back to picture. Can you see? Is that wait? Is that a yellow chimpanzee? What is it? I don't know, but I just know it's the monkeys, guys. Let's see. Oh, squirrel monkeys. Oh, that's why them so small. All right. So that's a little view of the monkeys. All right, so guys, we're now going to look at the snakes. We're gonna look at the snakies. We're gonna look at the snakies now, guys. Is in here so? Man, I like how this look. This look creepy. Like this shit is creepy. Okay. Oh, I guess because they were gonna do the Halloween party last night, they'd have like cobwebs and stuff. So this one is called the Amer- American crocodile. This one's called the American crocodile, but I can't see it. Oh, it's that tiny thing. Look. It's not moving though, like it's dead. It's not giving me any life, guys. It's just laying around. What in here looks like? It was scary at first, but I mean, it's not so bad right now. This is called the Argentine black and white tegu. Where is it? Jesus Christ. Oh, I see it. Oh my God. That shit look deadly. Wait, said this is 15 to 20 years for lifespan. It's a South American thing. It eats fruits, eggs, small vertebrates. They're terrestrial lizards, but also they're terrestrial lizards, but also make excellent swimmers and can hold their breath up to 22 minutes. They're considered omnivores since they consume plants and animals. They're even known to destroy beehives because they enjoy eating the honey. They're one of the most invasive species on the planet due to the pet trade and their ability to adapt to various environments. Cool. Him ugly though. Him look deadly. Sorry. Ooh, guys, this is the ball python. I wanted to see this one. I did want to that one there. Yes, this is an actual snake. This has a lifespan of 30 to 50 years. The females lay around 4 to 12 eggs. They wrap their body around the eggs to help with the incubation process over the next 3 months. They're named after their natural defensive behavior as they tend to curl up into a ball with their head toward the center of the ball when threatened. They're small, heavy bodied pythons averaging 3 to 6 feet in length. They're largely nocturnal, hunting for food at night. They have around 100 recurved teeth, which are used to hold prey until a snake can kill them by constriction. As with all snakes, they do not chew or tear their food, but instead swallow it. Can you imagine a big one of them? They just hold your head and just swallow it, not even not chew it. He looks calm though. I don't know. I have a fear of snakes, so thank God for the glass that is between us right now, guys. Believe. I'm this close to a ball python. This close to a ball python, guys. Ooh, I have a next one, guys. This one is the Jamaican bow. This is a Jamaican bow yellow snake. Mary bow the snakes because of our interest. Yeah, so it can live up to like 50 years. It has 7 species of snake. Okay, Jamaica has 7 species of snakes and none are venomous. Wow, that's good to know. These snakes pose no threats to human, and actually the Jamaican bow is incredibly beneficial to have around as they feed mainly on rats both in the forest and farm habitat, helping to control agricultural pests that damage crops. If you see a boa in the wild, just show some respect and keep your distance, and there will be no harm to you. Him not trouble you. Him just want to eat the rat them in the coffee tree. Ah, okay. Because it says here too, most Jamaicans have been misinformed about boas. I guess most Jamaicans think they're deadly. Me no business with that paragraph they want to say if me see a snake me I run. Me no business if it venomous or not. Anyways, Ooh, guys. That one I know. Don't ramp with me, you know. But I ramp with me, I try not to feel like the snake a come down for me. I'm mad. Anyways, I'm not frightened me so. Guys, I want to look nice. This is called a Burmese python. It's Southeast Asia. So the Burmese python is one of the top 5 largest snakes in the world, reaching lengths over 20 feet long. Snakes in the wild often go weeks or months without eating. Here at Hope Zoo, we feed our pythons large rodents every 2 weeks. The female will keep her incubating eggs warm by coiling around the eggs and contracting or twitching her muscles really quickly. She does not feed during the entire incubation process, 2 to 3 months. So learn something today. When I can't say I never teach you no wildlife enthusiast. Okay, let's go. That's a python, guys. That's a python. I'm close to a python right now. There's a glass between us. There's a glass between us, but that is fine. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. What would they know? What would they know? What would they know? What would they know? You're good. You're good. You're good. Lord God, the video man tie up in a cobweb. The video man tie up in a cobweb, guys. Okay, so this is a rainbow boa, but me not see him. Guys, I want say every time I come and me look, I'm gonna see them. Bumble so what that? Oh shit. I'm a real spider, I'm a real spider. It don't look like the rainbow boa in there. I'm gonna see him. And every time I come, I'm gonna see them, I just want to move forward because me really don't know where them there. I'm gonna try to figure it out. The Argentina black and white tegu, I can't see that. I'm gonna look for him. And all of them something. I can't see them. I'm not look for them. This is the Burmese python. Let's see what that looks like. I'm not seeing it. Okay, that one day. Gone pan a break. All right, we don't want to take too long because you know we don't know if them escape no way. I mean, I want them greet me no way. So, um, anything me not see, I just keep it pushing. All right, guys, me not really like the feeling in here. So, oh, a golden tegu. This is nice. This is from Trinidad and Tobago. Man, I lie. That picture look like Trinidad and Tobago for true. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh. This is called a red-tailed boa, guys. This one I look old though. Lifespan 25 to 30 years. Man, I lie. That one I look like it depend on earth long time. See that girl? Look like it there earth long time still. But it's still a hold on for life. It's called a red-tailed boa. Its breeding season is between April to August. They're small mammals. They eat mostly rodents and bats, frogs, and birds. Red-tailed boas are also called boa constrictors. They're a common species of large boa up to 11 feet long, which inhabit a wide range of habitats in South America. Yeah, all right. Something like that. I like this. This This a give me a Trinidad and Tobago vibes. Like, I don't know. This look like something me that having in my house. You don't have this in your house? You don't put this in your house? Eh? Man behind the camera. You don't put this in your house? Why? It not look nice. Man, I know him look like I would have put him in one glass case somewhere and make sure say it's sealed down well tight. Can't escape type of style. But man, I know it just look like something me that have. It ugly body no. But it just look like something me would have in my house somewhere. I don't know. Yeah. Woo! We made it, we made it, we made it, we made it, guys. All right, guys. So we made it through the reptile house. So far, it's not bad. You know, we're not trying to make the video too long, but we're trying to see as much as we can see. I don't like walking in the grass because it's raining today, and I almost thought I wasn't gonna get to show you guys the zoo with me today, but got a night. So you know we're out here. So we just finished with the reptile house, and right now me I look at me see lion and zebra down there. So you know me get extremely excited, you know. because we're going to see lion. This is where the monkeys were. And we look at the monkeys, there are squirrel monkeys. But honestly, guys, did I expect some bigger monkey? I don't know if I'm going to see that, if they have bigger monkeys. But let's see. Because those ones were really, really small. And I don't know, I never really, did I expect them for bigger. So now we're going to see the lions and the zebras. You coming? Come no man, come man. I'm gonna take on the little picnic journey with me, guys. If you've never been to the zoo, I hope I'm convincing you today that the zoo is not so bad. I think the zoo, Hope Garden Zoo, could be like a nice first date idea if you have like, you're just meeting somebody and you want to think of somewhere where you can go to walk and talk and find things to talk about, keep the date interesting. I think the Hope Zoo is something that you can consider because just walking around and looking at the animals and learning about them give you guys things to talk about as well. The ambience here is really nice. The sound of nature, the trees. It's a guan. Let's keep going. Did you see the lions up there? You see the lions up there? No, so I'm looking for the lions. It's up there. So what's around here? Just more birds? Oh, it's far off though, but that's nice. I wish it was bigger. You see it? I can see the kangaroo. Guys, I'm not sure if I can see it, but I hope you guys can see the little kangaroo over there. Oh, it's more than one. It's more than one. Can't really get a good picture with them because they're far off and them little bit small. I just feel like I want to go see the lions, so I'm just gonna go that way. I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to walk out all of the zoo, but there are specific things that I want to see. One of them was the snake, and I just saw the snakes. Pretty interesting. Um, I just want to go see the zebras and the lions. I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears, but I'm not scared to perform at a sold out affair. Okay. Okay. So people are looking at me. I'm not scared to sing in public, that's for sure. All right, Meko, come. Where are the lions? I'm tired for what? Like, this is a stretch, you know? This is a real stretch. Come on, I work a good thing, but wear the tight suit. Okay, come, I never know say gym me I come. Anyways, let's keep going. It's a lot of birds, guys, and I don't know if y'all interested in the birds, but I want to see the big animals, the interesting ones like the camels, the lions, the zebras. Those things have my interest. I'm always interested in parrots though, because parrots, as I must say, I just like the fact that they're able to speak back to you. So parrots are always interesting birds for me. This, all this look like people them ang so. Oh, it was for the party. Cause I'm like, what the hell? It couldn't be so feisty. That's cool. I guess that setup was for the party last night. Cool. I'd have been like, that's supposed to look scary in the night. Oh, I feel like we're close to the zebras now. We earn our stripes every day. But now, like, this is a little active. If you don't see me I sweat, because the place is a long walk and the place hot. Ooh, one thing we can tell you, the smell not so pleasant. You think bad. Where are they? I'm sad. I walked all this way. I'm sweaty. And I'm not seeing any zebras. Here, zebra, zebra, zebra. Here, zebra, zebra, zebra. Hey, Zebby. I'm here to see you, boo. Hey, Zebby, Zebby, Zebby. Mr. Stripes, are you home? Mrs. Stripes is here. Look how bright my heart. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a good thing we never give up. It's a good thing we never give up. There he goes. What is he? He's not a fisherman. What is he? Oh, you're smart. You're smart. Oh yeah. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. Hi. Hi. That's crazy. All right, guys. So I think it's time for us to see the lions. Are lions, right? Yeah, it's time for us to see the lions. I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears, but I'm scared of. I'm not scared to perform at a sold out affair, but I'm scared of. He's sleeping. Did you know the male lion has a mane which becomes darker with age? Captive. Behave! I'm talking about your friends over here. Captive lions usually have longer, fuller manes than wild lions. Most lions found in the wild live in southern and eastern parts of Africa. The average height for the lion is 4 feet and can weigh up to 500 pounds. Average lifespan for a lion is 10 to 14 years. Guys, I feel like because it's a rainy day today, most of the animals are just like cozied up and stuff. If you look over there, you can see the lion. It's actually sleeping. It's like an African lion. It's sleeping. So I'm not really getting to see a lot of these animals today in their best state because them kind of cozy up because of the weather. That's what I feel. Like my brother just said a while ago, it's like when rain fall and you're home, the first thing if you're up on the road, the first thing you want to do is just go home, cozy up in a nice comfortable bed. Yeah, but I don't know. They're not really active today. They're just lounging around. Is one of them? Is more than one? it's more, it's more than one of them. Um, yeah. So and I'm kind of asleep. So you're not really get him. Yeah. I'm in I'm darkest glass right now. Yeah. Yeah. Kind of boring. I'm just dead, so I'm just hello. You don't see people. Roar, roar. Are you gonna roar for us? Are you gonna roar? He's not doing anything. He's just hi. Now you're doing something, but he's not doing anything. He's just laying around. He's just laying around. Anyways, I guess we'll now wait for him in my sleep. I have no time to wait on him. What else is there to see though? I feel like I've seen a lot of the things that I wanted to see. The guy that's damp on my spirit. Him tell me so there is no elephants. I thought there would have been an elephant here so I could see an elephant, but there's no elephants. So and there are specific animals that I wanted to see. So no elephants. Hope Gardens Zoo, please, where I can get in an elephant. The children love to see elephant. Elephant is an attraction. We need an elephant over here. All right. Don't you know that I like to see an elephant? You see, the children need elephants in the zoo. It makes sense. Okay. All right. It's monkeys. It's bigger monkeys. Or no, is that big cat? What is it? What's that thing? What's the thing? That big thing. Is that big like a cheetah from the cheetah family? Oh, okay. I don't know, Christmas time, right? When I don't know if y'all schools did this, but every Christmas time we had our Christmas plays where we had to partake. Where you play Jesus, you play Mary, you play the disciples, and you play all of the things them. That little something over there, so that little something over there, so remind me of the lamb them, I Bethlehem. I don't lamb, but it does look like lamb, you know? The little, you remember that little donkey song? No, little donkey on a dusty road. Try to keep up looking on. We don't know the song, but yeah, it reminds me of that. Oh, it's a corny joke. Laugh. Anyway, these are called miniature horses. Some of the style them wanna call them donkey, but they are actually horses originating in Europe around the 1600s. They're defined by their small height and are the result of centuries of selective breeding. They're used to turmoil and blah blah blah. Y'all get the point. Come here and read more if you want to learn. Anyways, I was gonna look at that little cat over there, but I thought it was a cheetah, but him kind of small, so I don't want to go over there. If it feel like me I rush through the zoo now, is because I'm tired. It's a lot of walking. I'm super tired, and I just can't go no more. I think I'm gonna wrap it up very soon. What are these donkeys? Okay, hold on. So, and all right, I'm sure I say lick a donkey, for a dusty road, because these are the actual donkeys. All right, all right, all right. I see pigs. These are what you should not eat. These are what you should not listen. These are what you should not eat. Look at the pork for all you pork bellies. Look at what you're consuming. Dirt, mud, nasty. Pork bellies, stop it. This is what you don't eat, alright? Guys, so I'm not gonna lie, the zoo is a long walk. I don't know, man, my little headband on my head. I just decided to I want to take it off today. But it's so much of the things to do. And what I really love is just the sound of the birds and stuff in the background. So, yeah, guys, enough things there to see. No. I want a picture right here. So, Want a picture right here, so. Guys, my one can start pay my video man, cause me not tell no lie. He might do a really, really good job all the time requesting him stand up. So I just want to do me a favor. If you not enjoy the vlog, make sure so click the subscribe button and full up of things. But I watch that. Just focus on the words. Click the subscribe button right now. We're really trying to be consistent over here. Open and enjoy the vlog. If you not enjoy the vlog, just know say pretty badness now outside. Subscribe. Alright? And make sure so we can hit to the 5K goal before Christmas. Let's go. The park is very big. The park is very, very big. I mean, it's a lot. That's why I think it's a perfect first date idea because there is so much to see in terms of small animals. I wish they had more animals, to be honest, like more extravagant out there animals. I wish the animals were a little bit more exciting today. But as I say, it's a rainy day, so them cozy in them environments and I do them things. So we're just making the best of it. We're seeing what we can see. And remember, don't take it out on the brain. It's a first date idea this year. Come out with the people them. When you go too much restaurant, go eat food, man. Come outside, come out in the wild, come out in nature, enjoy something else other than Chinese and Korean and Japanese and Jamaican rice and peas and chicken. Step outside of the bars and the lounges and come out into the wild. That's a prop. So why mouth open so? So why mouth open so? No, guys, don't make me know if that is a real crocodile. No, don't that look like a prop too? No, seriously. Him not tell me nothing.
You want to go in there?
That is not a real crocodile. Jesus Christ, you come on me. No man, I feel like a damn people are mechanical something in the come. It's never since turning made me drop down, Nah, look for him. If I ever come and open zone and make me know if this a crocodile like a real art from my past. You come and move, So why me can't open the mouth for long?
Because you must keep himself cool.
I'm going to open my mouth and say we can keep myself cool.
You bloody reptile enough. That's so enough for lifetime. That's 10 people to anybody temperature regulation.
So what more than lie down?
Yeah, I don't know.
Float to the water.
Do you think that's what you know?
I don't see my moving at all. The water still like river, so I don't know how I'm float. You must sleep. All right, guys. So I think this is the end of the video for today. I hope you guys truly enjoyed my little escapade at Hope Garden Zoo. And I hope I inspired someone today to come out. If you've never been here before, check it out and see what it is giving. Nice, nice ambience. Enjoyed it. I wish I could have done a lot more, but guys, the rain kind of messed up the day. So many different things that I wanted to do, so many different, activities, so many other things I wanted to explore at Hope Gardens. But we never get to do that today. I'm not gonna promise to say I'm gonna come back up here just to get all of that. But what I can tell you guys, I may take a trip to Serenity Gardens just to go back in my little childhood self and just to see what the zoo up there is looking like as well. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna check out Serenity Gardens next. Maybe not the next vlog, so no don't come tell me say the next vlog. But I'm gonna do one of them little vlog the phone. Yeah man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Make sure to subscribe, please, guys. I know we're on road to 5K right now. We are tried with things. Wanna do the right, subscribe, like the video, leave in the comments. Yeah, man. Let me see. If we get to the end of the video, I want to hashtag Amor. If you got to the end of the video, hashtag Amor, alright? Or pretty badness. Any one of them I don't want to say. You don't know it's your girl Alicia Amor. We've signed in and now we are signing out. You don't know what I mean? Say pretty badness outside. Big up on yourself, Amor Nation. You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.